Hi, everybody. I'm Pratibha Agarwal. I'm an immigration attorney. I'm here in Washington, D.C. I represent all types of clients. We have several folks that have hired us for humanitarian cases like VAWA, T visas for trafficking, U visas for victims of crime. We also represent businesses and sponsoring different types of business visas. For example, H-1Bs are very popular right now. It's the time of the year to file your H-1B petition. We also help with business green cards as well. And then, of course, family cases. If you're sponsoring your parents, your spouse, your children, we help with some of those as well. And we are experienced in handling some very complicated family and humanitarian cases too. Great. I'm so excited for all of you to join me today. It's a wonderful day. It's Tuesday. We're into our week and we are here to answer your immigration questions. So if you have questions, go ahead and put it into the chat. This is an opportunity for you to learn about immigration, for you to understand sort of how it works. I'm providing general information. Of course, I don't know your specific immigration history, so I would urge you, if you want to speak with me, I would urge you to schedule a consultation with our firm, and you can do that by calling our office 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. You can also go on our Facebook page, which is Agarwal Immigration, or our website, which is agarwalimmigration.com, to schedule a consultation. So don't hesitate to do that. My assistant Sophia is ready for your call right now if you would like to reach out to her. We have several folks on the phones. It could be Sophia, it could be Kriza. Say hello to them, let them know you're watching the live if you're calling right now, and they can help you, walk you through how to schedule a consultation with our firm. Okay? Awesome. So let me start off with my question of the day, which is what I generally do. I start off with a question of the day. If you're just getting on, let me introduce myself again. My name is Pratibha Agarwal. I'm an immigration attorney. I'm based here in Washington, D.C. We do have clients all throughout the United States. We can represent you anywhere in the United States as long as we are only working on U.S. immigration, which is what we do. We work on U.S. immigration exclusively. We don't do any other type of law, and we can help you with your case no matter where in the U.S. you are located. We have actually so many folks that travel to come and see us in person. But just so you know, we also accommodate Zoom and phone consultations. We had someone wonderful, bless his heart. He came all the way from North Carolina to Washington, D.C. today, drove, and we had an in-person consultation today. Again, that is unnecessary unless you prefer to come in person. And of course, some people do, and we certainly will accommodate that. But if you want to, you don't have as much time or you don't have the ability to travel, you can schedule a consultation. Just call the office right now, 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. You can reach my assistant, Sophia. Let her know you'd like to have a consultation. Let her know if you prefer by Zoom or phone, and she will help get you scheduled. Okay, say hi to her. Let her know you're watching the live. That'd be awesome. Perfect. So let me go ahead and get started. Thanks for joining, MK. MK already put a question on here. MK is joining from YouTube. We have folks on TikTok. We have folks joining on Facebook. You can join from anywhere. I will read your question out loud if I'm about to answer it. Again, this is general information, but I hope that it's helpful to you guys in just understanding U.S. immigration. Okay? Awesome. So if you don't already like us and follow us, a reminder before I jump into the question, if you don't already like us and follow us, make sure you do that. Of course, also share this post with friends or family that you think might benefit from immigration, from learning about immigration. So this is a conversation where we want to invite folks to join just so you have a better understanding of U.S. immigration. This is your life. It can be very complicated. It can be very stressful. So let me hopefully give you some ease in the way that we talk about some of the questions here. Okay? Great. So let's get back to our question of the day, which is, can I receive public benefits or assistance during my VAWA process? So can I receive public benefits or public assistance during my VAWA process? A lot of folks have heard that you cannot rely on the government for a green card. However, if you're applying for a green card based on VAWA, you can go to a shelter. You can receive public benefits, and this won't be held against you. This is because you're not subject to the public charge rule, if you're wondering why. If you'd like help with your VAWA case, give us a call. You can reach us at 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. Again, my name is Pratibha Agarwal. I look forward to meeting you. Great. Okay, so that I hope was helpful to you guys. MK says, fear attorney, probably dear attorney, I'm guessing, since VAWA is solely completely relied on a self-declaration and the declaration is prepared by the abusive spouse. Now the question is how USCIS believe that. MK, so the declaration is prepared by the person that has been abused, not the person that is abusing, right? So the declaration is drafted, or it's the statements of the person that has been abused. In our firm, the declarations are very detailed. We do an intake call right away. We do an intake call where we get all of the information related to your VAWA case. Remember, VAWA is about all types of abuse. So it could be verbal abuse, psychological abuse, mental abuse. It's about power and control. And there's different ways that an abusive spouse can assert power and control over you and hurt you, and it might not be physical. So when you work with us on a VAWA case, we will call you and talk to you. We'll let you know ahead of time so you can be alone. And we go through and we just ask questions. And your job is to answer truthfully with as much detail as you can remember. We take notes, copious notes, and then we organize them and draft your statement, your declaration, based on what you told us. You are going to review that and make sure everything looks great. That declaration is the main piece of evidence. It serves as an exhibit in your VAWA application. Okay, so when you don't have all those details, right, then the government might question, is this truthful? Is this not truthful? Yes, my spouse verbally abused me, but you don't say anything about it. Yes, my spouse financially abused me, but you don't say anything about it, right? But when you give examples and you give details of specific situations that can be verified, then you have a very strong declaration, okay? We have been successful. We have won VAWA cases on the declaration as being the only piece of evidence of the abuse. So you want to make that strong. You want to be truthful. We would love to help you. You can reach us at 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. I hope that is helpful to you. MK, I hope that you're still watching, and I hope that it's helpful to you. All right. Can same-sex couples apply for VAWA protection, right? Can same-sex couples apply for a VAWA? Yes, absolutely. Same-sex couples can apply. So any couple that is recognized by American laws, right? So same-sex couples are also recognized as long as it's a marriage that's recognized and legal, then they can apply and qualify for VAWA protections. So what do you need for VAWA? You need to be married to a U.S. citizen or a green card holder. You need to live with that person. It has to be a real marriage, not just for immigration purposes. And there has to be abuse in that marriage. That abuse can be verbal, mental, emotional, psychological. It does not have to always be physical, okay? In many cases, we have one VAWA with no physical abuse. Call us if we can help you. You can reach us at 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. Again, my name is Pratibha Agarwal. I'm an immigration attorney. I'm based in Washington, D.C. We help clients all throughout the United States with their immigration applications. Awesome. I have so many questions here on TikTok. My TikTok folks, you guys are the best. Look at you. You have so many questions. All right. Oh, we have several folks following us and liking us. Make sure that you follow us, like us, so you can be notified when we go live. If you have friends or family that might want to join us for this conversation, please feel free to reach out to them, let them know that we're on here, that we're able to provide information about immigration. And of course, they can reach out to us for a confidential consultation as well. All right. Abdullah says, I'm married to a U.S. citizen and the work permit is taking 12 months. What can I do? The work permit usually should not take 12 months, so you want to take a look at that. It should be about 7 months or so. So you want to make sure you submitted all the right documentation. You might want to reapply. You might want to confirm the category that you applied under. Make sure you even applied for the work permit, right? So if we can help with that, don't hesitate to reach out to us. We work with green cards, family-based cases all the time where folks are sponsoring their spouses, their parents, their children. You can reach us at 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. All right. Someone is saying, can you answer my question? I'm not sure what your question is, but I will look for it and I will answer it. What happens if a green card holder overstayed outside of the country, right? What happens if a green card holder overstays outside of the country? So when you're a green card holder, you shouldn't be outside the country for more than 6 months. So what happens if you overstay? There's a risk that you might have abandoned your green card. If you stayed outside for more than 6 months, you have to show to immigration that you did not abandon that green card. If you stay outside for more than 1 year, you could be presumed to have abandoned that green card. You have to come back with a good reason for why you were away. If that happens, there are many options. So one is to apply for sort of an abbreviated green card called a SB1. You can apply for that process outside the country if you've already had a green card. The other option is to reapply for the green card. If we can help you, give us a call, 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. Can I apply for asylum after 4 years? That's a great question. Can I apply for asylum after 4 years? I'm assuming 4 years after entry into the U.S. You can apply, however, you want to show changed circumstances or a really good reason for why you didn't apply sooner. Generally, the government wants you to apply for asylum within 1 year from entering the United States. Okay, if you don't enter by then, you're going to have to show something, the reasons why you didn't and what exceptional circumstances were present that kept you from applying. If we can help you with your immigration applications, don't hesitate to reach out to us. You can call us at 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. You can also go on our Facebook page, which is Agarwal Immigration, or our website, which is agarwalimmigration.com. Schedule your consultation directly from there. There will be a Zoom link where you can join us by Zoom. It's very easy. If you haven't used it, don't worry. We have lots of first-time Zoom users joining us for a consultation. So I'm happy to, we're happy to give you the instructions and be patient with you while you figure it out. So don't worry, Zoom is awesome. It's like this. If you've never used it before, where we're talking like this, but it's just the two of us in the Zoom meeting, and we can go through your immigration history and make suggestions of next steps or possible ways for you to qualify for a green card. Okay, call us 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. MK says, normally all VAWA applicants don't have all abusive treatment records or evidences. It looks like the declaration is the most piece of evidence. Self-declaration can be a rephrase by the abuser since he is in. So remember with VAWA applications, MK, the abuser, right? The abuser is the person causing the abuse, not you. You're the victim of abuse, right? If you're the one applying for VAWA. So your spouse, your abusive spouse, is not included at all in the application. Okay. So don't worry about that. I hope that if you have a question about VAWA, I would suggest do a consultation. We can walk you through the full process. Don't be worried about the declaration. It's the key piece of evidence. We have won cases with only the declaration as our most comprehensive piece of evidence for this VAWA case. Of course, we want to provide as much as we can. And in some cases, folks do provide more than just the declaration. Many cases they don't, and they've still been successful. VAWA comes with huge benefits, right? So if you qualify for VAWA and a green card, you can receive a work permit in about 6 to 8 months. You can receive a green card in about 2.5 years, or two to 2.5 years. Okay, call us if we can help you. You can reach us 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. If you'd like to schedule a consultation on our Facebook page, hop on our Facebook page. It's Agarwal Immigration. If you'd like to check out our website, learn about our firm, you can do that by jumping on to our website, agarwalimmigration.com. Just a reminder to like us and follow us on all our social media platforms so you can be notified when I go live. Share this post with friends and family that might be interested in joining us in this immigration conversation. Okay? Can I apply for VAWA if I am divorced or separated from my abusive spouse? So can I apply for VAWA if I am divorced or separated from my abusive spouse? If you're divorced already from your abusive spouse, you can apply for VAWA as long as it has not been more than 2 years from your divorce, from the date of your divorce, okay? If you're separated, it's okay. You can apply for VAWA at any point after the separation, as long as you do not have a final divorce yet. Give us a call if we can help you. You can reach us at 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. My name again is Pratibha Agarwal. I'm an immigration attorney. We're based here in Washington, D.C. We work with immigration only, so we help with all types of immigration cases, including family immigration, humanitarian cases like VAWA, victims of trafficking, victims of crime. If we can help you, don't hesitate to reach out to us. We will have our first meeting, which is going to be called a consultation, where we discuss your issue, your immigration goals, and any processes that we can use to get you legal status in the U.S. if you don't have any. Okay, call us 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. And let me see what other questions you guys have here. You've been so active today. My pending asylum case is in New York, and my fiance lives in a different state. Okay. So if you have a fiance, that fiance must be a U.S. citizen for them to, I think you're thinking about a K-1, right? So you want to make sure that you qualify. If your fiance lives in a different state, if you're married, fine. If you live together, fine. You can actually request a change of venue even for your immigration court or for your asylum hearing if it's more convenient for you. So there's different options there. You don't have to, but as long as, if you're trying to go from your asylum hearing and also claim adjustment of status, this is a very complicated question. So I would say give us a call. We can go through your options. You can reach us at 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. I have a green card with 10 months. I have a green card for 10 months. I'm still waiting for my 10-year green card so I can apply for citizenship. Great, Supriya. So if you have a 2-year green card and it's been pending, you've applied to remove the condition. So you've applied to go from the 2-year green card to the 10-year green card. If you're getting close to that 3-year mark as a green card holder, even if before you don't have your 10-year green card, you can apply for citizenship at the same time. Okay, so you can apply for citizenship at the same time. Give us a call if we can help you. You can reach us at 703-348-1663. Again, 703-348-1663. My name again is Pratibha Agarwal. I'm an immigration attorney. We help clients all throughout the United States with all of their immigration needs, with their immigration applications. If you'd like to reach out to us, we would love to talk with you. We do our consultations by phone, by Zoom, or in person. The consultations are with me. I am the only immigration attorney with the firm. I will do your consultation and we'll talk about your goals, your immigration history, and the process to get you to your goals. Okay? Thank you so much for joining me today. It's been wonderful. It's a new week, right? I missed you guys yesterday. It's been a few days since I've been on. I will be on again tomorrow. Share this post with friends. If I didn't get to your question, please join me again tomorrow and post it again. Here's a tip for those of you all watching. Here's the tip. I can see the YouTube questions and the Facebook questions more easily than the TikTok questions. Okay, so I see the YouTube and the Facebook questions more easily. So if you would like me to answer questions to see and discuss kind of the issues that you're bringing up, those are easier for me to see. All right, great. Well, it's wonderful to see you guys. You're welcome, NM. Thanks for joining me always. I will see you guys tomorrow. Have a great day, a great afternoon, and I will see you soon. Bye, everyone. Thank you.